ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲಿಶ್ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೋಸಿ ಸೂಪರ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಬೆಲೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಏರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯ. ಸೊ ಹರಿ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ whitegold.money.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Vishwas, and today on World Hypertension Day, I would like to discuss a crucial topic that affects millions of people worldwide. So that is hypertension, which is commonly known as high blood pressure. Hypertension is often called as a silent killer because it usually doesn't cause any noticeable symptoms until it leads to a serious health complications. We can control our blood pressure through the standard 3M approach: measure, manage and maintain. Measure and record your blood pressure regularly and share it with the healthcare provider when you go for routine health checkup. Normal blood pressure should be less than 120 by 80 millimeters of mercury, and blood pressure more than 140 by 90 millimeters of mercury is called as hypertension. Managing lifestyle modification is very important in controlling hypertension. Dietary changes like reduced intake of sodium, reduced intake of processed food, and emphasizing on fruits, vegetables, grains and lean proteins. Maintain at least 30 minutes of moderate level of aerobic activity in a week. Reduce your weight and maintain the body mass index. Reduce the intake of alcohol and also quit smoking. Manage stress conditions by using yoga, meditations and also deep breathing exercises. Sometimes lifestyle modifications may not be sufficient to control your hypertension. So, if your blood pressure remains high, your doctor may prescribe medications to control your hypertension. Adherence to the medications and regular checkup is very important in controlling hypertension and also to prevent complications like stroke, heart attack. This World Hypertension Day, let's spread awareness, encourage lifestyle modification and also empower our society to combat the hypertension and lead a healthier tomorrow.
Issued in public interest by Unison Pharmaceuticals.
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ನಂತರ ರಣಕಾಳೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಲೋಕಸಭಾ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಮುಕ್ತ